Hi, I'm Frederick. I'm working at the sales and business development at Epishine. Epishine is manufacturing this really nice organic solar cell for indoor use. I'm really proud to be a part of this company with this green, sustainable solution and approach that actually make it possible to replace batteries. As you probably know, the Internet of Things market is growing rapidly, and millions of sensors and devices are placed everywhere to give us the information that we demand. We at Epishine, we have the product, we have the technical solution to power all those devices and sensors by harvesting the light that already exists. I'm convinced that Epishine will be a major international player in this area. So it's now it happens. If you find this opportunity interesting, please take a look at the job description and send us the application if you are interested to join the EPIC team.